Hi, my name is Scott Moore. I am from Zanesville, Ohio in the United States. I am currently 20 years old and a second year at Ohio University studying mechanical engineering. So I chose Circa because through my university I'm required to do some international experiences throughout my time in college, and so I looked online and I found it, and the engineering program through Circa seemed very appealing to me. It seemed relevant and practical to me, and it just seemed like, honestly, kind of scary to live somewhere new and unfamiliar, which is exactly why I wanted to do it. So through Circa, I was placed in the automotive wing at the International Hellenic University here in Syndos, near Thessaloniki in Greece. And I've been working mostly with an aerial drone here. We've done 3 different projects with it. Firstly, we used an Arduino to try and get the drone to fly in an exact pathway, predetermined, around the room. And we attached a temperature sensor to it to measure the temperatures in its path. So we used Arduino for that, and we used a software called Drone Blocks. After that, we tried to use a proximity sensor to get the drone to navigate around obstacles. So this involved using the Arduinos to actually connect with the drone using built-in Wi-Fi, which we unfortunately struggled a little bit with and were not able to complete. But then our third project, we were measuring the sound of the drone and using noise-canceling technology to try and set up a future intern with the resources to develop some technology to make the drone quieter as it operates. So here in Thessaloniki, you're never going to run out of things to do. I really like it because everybody's friendly here. It seems unfamiliar at first, but it won't stay that way for long. Even the local barista at the coffee shop I've gotten to know a little bit better. And there's something for everyone, like I said. So, I mean, there's beaches, there's museums, it's a great place to go running. There's nightclubs, anything you want, it's here. We even went bowling. The food is fantastic. It's almost never super processed, so it's always really filling and really tasty compared to American food in a lot of cases. And not to mention it's really cheap. But yeah, the people are great. Getting to know even the people at the university has been a lot of fun. Like some of the workers in the dining hall are just very friendly, play great music, and always put a smile on their face. And even in our department, we've had a couple events like a barbecue. We all got together and ate and drank together, and it was a lot of fun, and we got a lot closer than some of my professors in America, for example, do. So it's really friendly here, and it's a great place to be.